Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor and 200-hour yoga instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I made myself some crunchy banana boats. I cut them lengthwise. You could cut them in slices. That would be really sweet for at a party for everyone to have just individual slices. I mixed my peanut butter and my honey and threw it in the microwave for a few seconds and smeared that on top. Then I topped it. I didn't have any bran buds, so I topped it with some mixture of hemp seed, flaxseed, chia seeds, and sprinkled that on top, and then sprinkled my raisins on top of that. So taste-wise, I'm guessing that's going to be a 5 out of 5. Easy-wise, probably a 6 out of 5. Anyway, have a good one, guys. They're delicious.